Most 50-foot motor yachts force a trade-off between offshore range and onboard comfort. The Horizon PC52 refuses to pick. Built by Horizon Yachts in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, the same yard that has been building custom motor yachts since 1987, GRP Power Catamaran, CE Category A, Bluewater certified, twin hull platform with a 22-foot beam, twin Cummins QSB 6.7 diesels, 1100 horsepower combined, top end 21 knots, fast cruise around 18 knots, over 300 nautical miles on 960 gallons of fuel, drop to displacement speeds at 8 to 10 knots, and the PC52 stretches into a true distance Voyager, 53 feet 2 inches overall, 22 feet of beam, wider than most 70-foot mono hulls, 4 feet 3 inches of draft at full load, 3-deck layout, full beam main deck, twin hull sleeping accommodations, and a flybridge that runs the entire length of the upper deck. Full beam salon and galley with floor-to-ceiling glass on 3 sides. Wraparound window glass brings the Horizon into the main deck. The flybridge above offers a second helm, a wet bar, and a full-length sun deck. The foredeck adds a forward lounging zone with twin sun pads, 3 staterooms across the 2 hulls, 2 ensuite heads, full-length owner suite in the starboard hull, VIP forward in the port hull, guest cabin amidships. Bottom line, the PC52 is the Bluewater power cat for owners who want true ocean range without taking on a 70-foot motor yacht. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.